Hi guys, it's me, Jaylee. Welcome to my show. Today, we're going to be making milkshakes. Before I get started, let me tell you what we have today. Cups, ice cream, and straws, bowls, ice cream scoop, whisk, and milk, sprinkles, and whipped cream. So let's get started. First I need a big jug is ice cream. Good ice cream. So delicious. Now I need this. This is a favorite pot. Let's see if I can. I guess you did it. That's good. Whoa, it's a big scoop. Let's put it in. Oh, that's a really cool drop. I'm gonna get some more. Whoa, that's another big piece. I got some on here. I just picked that off. So delicious. No, that's easy. Another one. That's so tiny. So delicious. And now another scoop. That's easy. Now we can use a spoon to get that off. So it's this spoon and is getting off. It looks like ice cream. And with whipped cream already. There's some a little bit left, but we could get that off. Yeah, that's enough. And now I'm just gonna get one more scoop. I think I'm ready. Scoop it. Just a tiny one this time. Now time for this. Put it in. Put it in. That looks so cool. Put it in. And there. What's okay? Okay, gonna pour. I'm just gonna pour a little bit of milk. That's enough. Well, yes. Okay, and let me get some more ice cream from here. There's more ice cream. Here. I'm gonna get some here. And now, spoon. Whoa, that's a big one. Get it off. Get it off. That's a little one now. There. Now I need more ice cream. Just a little more. I think I'm gonna be done. Just a little more. Get it out. A big scoop. Put it in a bowl. And now get a spoon. Then take it. Turn the spoon a little. Oops, Jaylee. That was not supposed to happen. Ooh, big giant spoon. Giant spoon is coming to help. Still want more ice cream. And now I need the whisk to mix it up. Because wait, that's our favorite part, so it's... Whoa, I don't know what's gone in my eye. Mix, mix, it's so easy. Mix, this is a little spoon. Mix, mix. In my kitchen I go. Making breakfast like Mommy does. Is that enough, guys? Okay, that's enough. Yeah, now I have to put it down. What a one he did. My mommy helped me put my ice cream in. Now I'm gonna add a whipped cream. But my mom's gonna help me because it's really hard. Did all this whipped cream. But that's not it. That's one more time. here's the sprinkles. And they have some fruits. Sprinkle. Ooh, I see. We're making this. That's what Mommy said. Ooh, a little bit of water. Come on, get out. Now we made a mess on the floor and the table. Ooh, now I'm gonna have some ice cream with sprinkles. It's gonna be so good. Ooh, put them on the side, on the top. That's a lot of sprinkles that come in. Ooh, more. That's enough sprinkles. Now, leave it on here. Ooh, there's some more cream on there. Ooh, that looks cool. Now the straw. Now it's all. Ooh, now let's drink it. And I'm so excited to see what it tastes like. Good. It tastes like vanilla and sprinkles and milk. So amazing. This is really good. I'm gonna make a rainbow sweet shake. I have an idea. My magic wand can turn it into this. Got it. Yummy magic wand. Apple. Cadabra. Wow, my magic worked. One more thing is to open it. So, let me open it. We got to peel this plastic off first. Let's do it. Peel. So satisfying. Peel the paper. And it's so satisfying. Because it's in pink. I wonder who it is in there. And now I can peel the other one off from the back. I'm really enjoying it. Who is it? Wait, why is this here? This is so pinky with a heart. How do I think? Who is it? Well, now let's pull it off. As you can see, these let's pull it off. And see what we got. See my God, I'm so excited. What is this? Oh, this is the most. There's even more. I love you. I love you. Guys, I think this is my guys. He's gonna say what I say. Why would I be fun? Stick your tongue out. Look at him. He has blue ears and rainbow fur. And at the back he has a rainbow tail and purple and pink wings. So he can fly like a chicken. And now, let's open this. Wait, so let's peel them. Did you just hear what I said? Okay, well, let's open it. Right from here. Oh, it's opening, it's opening. Got one piece off. Put it over here. And you put it in here. And now, let's see. It's opening again. It's a spoon, a little one. Let's see what else is inside. This is magic slime mix. Now let's get the next thing. Let's stay more in here. More magic slime mix. And let's stay more in here. This says more magic slime. More magic. Let's put about the other ones. Let's put on. And now there's 2 more things in there. Looks like we got a cup. We're going to make a sweet shake. We'll see you in the next video. Bye guys, thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and click the bell button. See you next